Hi, my name is James Calvin, but my friends call me Jimmy. I'm the leave administrator in my company's human resource department. I've been at my job for the past 2 years. Fern, my manager, also oversees our company's benefit department, which is always busy. I really enjoy my job, especially helping coworkers with their leave questions and concerns. I guess customer service and talking to them one on one regarding the different types of leave that they can use is my strongest skill set. Although I have to admit, I'm not all that great creating Excel formulas or determining return to work dates using desktop calendars. Unfortunately, COVID-19 occurred, and like a lot of companies around the country, we had to close our offices for safety reasons. I miss seeing my friends and coworkers in the office. A lot of employees and their family members got sick and didn't know what to do regarding coverage of benefits, types of leave, and if they will continue to receive their paycheck while on leave. Firm informed me that I'll be working remotely from home. This will allow me to continue to process leave requests and answer all questions that employees may have. She stated that my workload would double, if not triple, due to the pandemic. She's counting on me to keep up with the workflow, update the leave log, and keep all of our HR business partners current with employees going on leave, including the payroll department. I'm glad I can work from home. I created space for a home office that will allow me to work. Plus, I'll have Ace, my dog, and Miss Cece, my cat, to keep me company. Miss Cece is very smart. I was a little worried about working from home because I'll be working by myself for the first time. As I stated earlier, I'm great with customer service, but not so great with Excel and accessing information from our HRIS system. I will also need to send FMLA and short-term disability forms to employees. I was concerned that I wouldn't be able to keep up and meet deadlines to employees and business partners due to the many phone calls and questions that I would need to answer. Fortunately, Fern found Excel Employee Leave Tracker. I no longer need to have multiple software windows open to retrieve current employees' data. Employees' information automatically appear once I type in the employee's first or last name. With Excel Employee Leave Tracker, I don't have any concerns about creating Excel formulas or miscalculation of return to work dates. Excel Employee Leave Tracker does it for me. Now I can provide the dates employees are expected to return to work at the initial point of contact. Weekends and holidays will be excluded. And get this, employees' information is imported directly through a data extract file that is updated at a click of a button. There are even built-in notifications and reminders to inform me before an employee's expected return from leave, if I need to contact the employee, or 30 days before long-term disability is about to end. Excel Employee Leave Tracker also has smart drop-down menus that allow me to select eligible leave per length of service and any state's family leave that may be applicable. Excel Employee Leave Tracker has many other capabilities, such as a Manager tab that contains charts and graphs to assist with forecasting leave trends. Excel Employee Leave Tracker also has a payroll change report. Any employee added to the leave log is automatically added to the payroll change report. I just copy the report and send it directly to our payroll department. All needed information is included along with specific notes for each employee. The payroll change report indicates when 100% pay ends for employees on short-term disability and all deductions. This eliminates errors from occurring to employees' paycheck while they are on leave. Excel Employee Leave Tracker also has an email communication hub. The hub also has a tracking log that shows who received an email, when the email was created, and what information was auto-filled. The email communication hub allows me to send personalized templates with writable PDFs that I can review before sending. Every PDF and email is automatically created at a push of a button. I now feel more comfortable in my job again. I'm able to focus on providing great customer service and meet all my deliverable deadlines. Plus, Ms. Cece and Ace are happy as well. Contact Excel Employee Leave Tracker today to schedule a virtual demonstration. See if they can make your leave administration easier.